Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, you are welcome. Thanks for being part of my friends. On this channel, I do a lot about cash staffing, savings challenges, and paying off my student loan, which is the last debt for our family. We are a family of 8. So when you see me talking about family, it means I'm talking about everybody. So you are welcome to our channel. Keep watching. I hope everybody is doing very well. For today's video, I'm going to tell you guys the new product is coming to my shop and also what is in my shop. I have a lot of people asking me, do you have this in your shop? Are you selling this? Yes, I am selling most of the stuff you see on the table here, and they were out of stock. Now I restocked them. So let's go ahead and talk about all the new product that came in and also the old ones are stock. So I'll use one of the wallet as example. So this wallet was my first wallet that I launched, I think somewhere in August. Yeah, in August. And when I launched it in my shop in August, I ordered a few, about 50 pieces, and within a month, everything was gone. I know some people can sell it within a week, within 2 weeks, but mine, it took quite a long time, but people didn't know it a lot. But when people realized it, it ran out so quick. And I didn't put a thought into it when it was running out. I was like, oh, people will not like the wallet. I don't know whether I can compete with the market. So I didn't thought about it. And when it ran out, a lot of people were DMing me, asking me, when are you going to restock? When are you going to restock? And now finally, my order is here because I needed to talk to the manufacturer to make sure everything was all right. Now they are all here. So let me show you the colors that I have in stock for the A6 one, which is this one. And I know most of you know this wallet because I use it here. It's an A6. It has a lot of space here. It's just like the Motem, but a bigger one. The Motem also have the bigger one, just like the Motem. It has a big space here that you can put money. It has a lot of places you can put your cards. It also have a zipper here that I mostly put my coins when I'm using my daily wallet. So it has a lot of space. That's what I like about it. I used the A7 one and I was like, this wallet was cool. So I switched it to the A6 one and I did order. So now we have, let me show you the colors that we have in stock. Let me put this one. These ones are the ones I'm using. That's my personal ones. But the ones that we have in stock in A6, we have this one. That's the peach color. We have it in stock. The same thing. Nothing changed. And this is how it looks like if I take it from the box. It comes like this. It has a pen holder. And also I check if the zippers are okay. It still has the spaces. It has the bottom over here, like a lot of spaces. So this is how it look like. This is the first one. That's the peach color. And I just have a few of them in stock. So it might run out. So if you know you want to grab it fast because they're going to run out. And the prices are really affordable, guys. I'm telling you the truth. Anybody who bought this wallet when they were in stock will tell you that this price is affordable. We also have this color, the same format. That's the grape color. For some reason, a lot of people like this color. And I asked one of them, why did a lot of people like this color? It's like, it's compatible to black and you can go along with when you are wearing white, black, and everything. This is the gray color. I have that one also in stock. Then the other color I have in stock in A6 is the black. This is the black, the same format. I have the black, and this time around all the prices are the same. Last time when I did it, the black and the white price were higher than the other colors, but this time around, no, all the prices are the same price and very affordable. And I have them as I do this video right now. You can go check it out in my shops or my shop. I had it on Etsy shop. I had it on my website with its Shopify. I also have it on TikTok shop as well. Okay, and this one too is in stock, the white one, and that's the one I love so much. I love the white color. This is how it look like when it comes in. I hope you guys will like it as well. And trust me, if you need a new wallet, go check my wallet out. I know the new year is on and everybody has spent their money and stuff, but I have them in stock right now. You can go grab your copy. It's affordable. So that's how it look like. So now, and there's one thing I also want to show you that a lot of people have been asking me. A lot of people have been asking me whether I have this 100 envelope challenge in my shop. Yes, I do. I do have it in my shop. You can customize it or personalize it like this format, or also like that format. And I also have it just one color. I don't have a lot of colors, just this color, the gold white. And the reason why I chose the gold, like this year you're gonna have a gold, and you're also gonna be purified, which is white. That's why when I saw this, I bought it. Simply Blessed. I bought it. I like gold and white. It's just my color. I love it. And I know a lot of people will like it also. That's why I have this color. Yes, I like this color. And also, I know most of you have been asking me when the A6 right now, then people were asking me, oh, do you have them in A7? Yes, now A7 is in stock. And let me show you the colors for A7, just like the big one, A6. I have the white one. So this is the white one. Let me open it up and show you guys. I'm loving it. I'm going to go back and use the A7. I used to have the A7. I used to have it, but I switched everything back in A6. Now I'm going to go back in A7 and A6. And I do have the white one in A6 already, but I'm loving it. I think I'll go for a different color. This is the white one, a lot of space, just like the A6. And this one has this one here that you can put your ID. If you want it to show, you can put it here. So that's the difference between, let me put this on the side, and I'll bring my big one so that you guys know. So this is how the big one look like. It doesn't have the plain space here. So this one has the open space that you can put something, an ID or something over there. Let me put, I have a Sam's Club card here. Let me see. Will it show my numbers or no? Let me see. Okay, it doesn't show. So when you put it there, you see how it shows the thing over here. This is so cool. By putting the Sam's, because at times when you get to Sam's, they have to check your card. So I think this will be perfectly for me going to Sam's. Look at that. Then when I go, I will just show them like that. Instead of putting my ID, I can put this one over here. So this is how that one look like. And it has also a lot of space for card. It has a space here. It has a space here. It also have the open space over here that you can put a lot of money, a lot of card space. It has a space for the coins. or other stuff if you want to. And for this one, another difference for the A7 is that it has 2 bottoms, so you can loosen it up a little like this, or you can go one more like that. So this is how, and I'll also do the comparison for you guys. So this is how the difference. So this is A7 and this is A6. So let me put it, and I'll show you the other colors of A7 that comes in this format as well. So this is that one. Let me put it here on the side. Let me put it back in the back. And for the price, there's no much difference between the A6 and the A7, to tell you guys the truth. Apparently, the A7 is more expensive. When I was talking to the manufacturer, the A7 is more expensive, to tell you guys. But I don't think the price is going to be different. So go check it out. Very affordable. I also have it in black. This is how the black looks like. Just like the white. It also comes like that. Everything stayed the same, just like the white I showed you guys. So I have the black as well. I also have it in the peach, and this is how it look like. The same thing. I have it in the peach as well, and it will be a nice combination to have the same A7 and A6 combined. That would be a great one. So that's that one. Then I also have it in pink. This time around, I don't have the A6 in pink. I used to have the A6 in pink, but this time around I don't have. I only have it in A7, and that's the same thing. This is how it also look like. The pink is also nice. It look gorgeous. Then I also have the gray as well. This is how the gray look like in A7. Yes. Then apart from the A7, I also have a different design for A7. So let's check that one also out. For A7, I also ordered this design. Instead of the barcode, it has the triangular shape over here, and it also have 2. You can go 1 and you can go 2. Then this one, it comes just like the A7. It has the bottom over here, the zipper that you can put. And I love this one because the rings are good as compared to the other A6. The rings were white. This one, the rings are good. Look at that. I love the good one. So now I'm torn between whether I should pick this one or the other one. They also have the big space over here. It also have this one that you can put your card and it will show just like I did. It has a lot of space for cards. It also have this bottom here. This one over here, and it has a zipper. So this is how that one also look like, another form of A7. And this one is kind of big a little bit, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see, as compared to this, because that one has the triangular shape over there. It makes it big a little bit. So if you compare, this one is kind of big, but it's all A7. Remember that. So I have that one in white. I also have it in brown. For those of you who like the brown color, it also have the gold ring. The gold ring also. There's the brown color. I have it in black. The same thing, the triangle shape. it in black. I have it in gray. This is how it look like. All of them are gold, the gold ring. I have it in gray. I also have it in the other two colors, which is pink and peach. And all of them are gold, the gold ring. The gold ring are really, really cute. And this one, I understand why a lot of people like it, because it can fit in small bags. The big one, you have to have a bigger bag a little bit most of the time, but a lot of people like this. So this one is more expensive. It's more expensive when you are buying it from the manufacturer. They will tell you that, oh, a lot of people like the A7 more than the A6. So this one is more expensive a little bit, but I have it in my shop, affordable price. Don't worry about the price. Just go check it out. Just go check. So I have all these colors. I have they are about 6 colors when it comes to this design. Let me show you. When it comes to this design, I have it about 6 colors: the brown, the gray, the black, the pink, the peach, and the white. And this is how it looks like. I'm loving it. I think I'll go with this A7, this type, than the one, because I have this type. I have the A6 already, so I'm going to check the other one out, and I'm going to set my wallet up. So for those of you who don't know, I'm going to set it up, and you know how I'm setting up my A7 up. So watch out for that video. So this is all that I have. So thanks for watching me today. Go check my channel out, and I'm leaving a coupon for like the whole week for 10% off to come to my shop. So I'll leave the coupon in my description below so that you can use that coupon. So go check my description and use that coupon. I'm leaving it for the whole week, so that anybody who want to use that coupon to get some percentage is over there. It's going to be 10%. For my YouTube fans over here, thanks for watching me. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. So I will see you guys in my next video. It's already live. If you want to check it out, go check it out in all my site. I have them in the description. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.